ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनशृण्वन्नोतिभिः सेदसादनम् ॐ महागणपतये नमः. On this very auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, it is a great privilege to remember and pray the Lord Ganesha by understanding his glories. I am just reading out the content from the concise encyclopedia of Hinduism by Swami Harshanandaji Maharaj, wherein he has given a detailed description about Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesha or Ganapati, the elephant-faced god, is an extremely popular deity not only with the masses but also with the classes. Being Vigneshwara, Lord of the Destroyer of Obstacles, he is eagerly sought by the classes. The masses try to propitiate him to fulfill their needs. Since he is Varada and Siddhida, the giver of boons and success in undertakings, no venture can be started without worshipping him first. He is also the god of knowledge and wisdom, as well as literature and fine arts. Hence, the supreme importance of the Ganesha Chaturthi Vrata. The Puranas are replete with his stories that describe his origin and adventures, or that contain philosophical distinctions delving into his symbology. Pandits have been battling over the years to solve the riddle concerning the origin or evolution of the enigmatic deity. We are, however, interested in harnessing his grace and powers for the benefit of the devotees by describing some relevant details concerning the Vrata, which has been so highly extolled in the Hindu religious works. The main time to perform the puja to Ganesha on this sacred day is noon. A clay image beautifully painted is to be brought and installed on a suitable altar and decorated. After the usual preliminary rites, Prana Pratisthana, invoking the presence of the deity into the image, has to be done with appropriate mantras. This should be followed by worship with 16 upacharas, that is, Shodashopachara, or modes of showing honor. Offering of Durva grass, tendrils and modaka, 21 in number, is a very important part of this puja. This may symbolically teach us that we have to offer in all humility all the good things of life that give us pleasure and happiness. The number 21 may stand for the 21 items in our person, which is Gnanendriyas, or the 5 organs of perception, Karmendriyas, or the 5 organs of action, the 5 pranas or vital airs, the 5 bhutas or elements, and the mind. Thus, the puja can teach us total dedication and surrender at the feet of Lord Ganesha, who is none other than the highest Brahman or the Absolute in that form. The image has to be ceremonially immersed in water after the completion of the vrata. In modern times, the image is kept and worshipped for 1.5 days, or 2 to 7 days, or even up to Ananta Chaturdashi, that is 14th day of bright half of Bhadrapada. Before immersing, it is taken in a procession for the immersion, which is done in a well or a tank or a river or the sea. There is a widespread popular belief that if one sees the moon on the Ganesha Chaturthi day, he will be falsely charged with the commission of a theft or a similar crime. The story of Sri Krishna being thus implicated in the theft of the famous gold earning gem, that is the Samantaka, belonging to Yadava chieftain Satrajit, is cited as an example. This story appears in the Mahabharata as also in several Puranas such as Vayu Purana, Matsya Purana, Vishnu Purana, and Bhagavata. Ananta Chaturdashi is the last day of 10-day long Ganesh Utsav or Ganesh Chaturthi, and is called Ganesh Chaudas when devotees bid adieu to Lord Ganesha by Ananta Chaturdashi Ganesh Visarjan. Chaturdashi is the 14th day of lunar fortnight. In the normal course, Ananta Chaturdashi falls 10 days after Ganesh Chaturthi. On this day, a bowl containing Panchamrita, that is, which is made up of milk, curd, jaggery, honey, and ghee, symbolizing Kshira Sagar, is placed on the wooden platform where Ganesha's idol is kept. A thread with 14 knots, symbolizing Lord Anant, is wrapped on the cucumber and is whirled 5 times in this ocean of milk. By this procedure, they give Visarjan to the idol of Lord Ganesha. The festival from Ganesh Chaturthi to Ananta Chaturdashi, which we celebrate by remembering the Vigna Vinashaka Ganesha, we all shall pray to the Lord, the Supreme Lord, to bestow His grace on all of us always. Hari Om.
एकदन्तं महाकायं तप्तकाञ्चनसन्निभं लम्बोदरं विशालाक्षं वन्देऽहं गणनायकं